Hey, it's SL Preem. We're back with another video. Today we're going to install Android R on your Pixel device. So the first thing you want to do is go into developer settings and then become a developer. After that, go into the developer settings. Now make sure you can turn on OEM unlocking. As you can see here, it's grayed out because I already turned it on. If you cannot turn on OEM unlocking, that means you cannot flash any beta versions or literally flash anything other than from the OTA. So if that's you, you cannot get Android 11 right now. But anyways, turn on USB debugging. And then that's about it. You're going to need a computer for the next step. Anyways, after you turned on USB debugging and enabled OEM unlocking, go ahead and click on the first link in the description and go to the Get Google USB driver. This step is required, so all you have to do is just download it by clicking this button. Click I have read, and now it's going to be downloading. And then go ahead and open it up. Extract this to the downloads folder or whatever. And now you just want to open it up. There it is. And now you get these little files, and you want to go on this one right here, Android_WinUSB.inf. Right click, and then click on install. And then you want to click yes. The operation completed successfully. Now you're done. You don't need that anymore. And now you go to the second link, which is flash.android.com/devices continue. So now connect your phone to the computer. Click on add a new device. As you can see here, my Pixel 2 XL was detected. And now go back to your phone and click on allow USB debugging. I'm going to check always allow. And now it's connected, as you can see here. Alright, now I'm going to go and find the Android 11 build. So go to get and scroll down until you see your device. So Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 3, blah 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 blah. So I have a Pixel 2 XL, so I'm going to copy down the build number, copy, and then go ahead and paste to here. So make sure that's the same number, 6343719. Let's time in, yep, that's correct. You want to click on factory reset, or you're gonna get a bunch of errors if you don't wipe. So click on wipe, and that should be it. You want to click on install. So be warned, everything will get deleted. Make sure you guys back up everything before you proceed, unless you don't want your information. So I'm going to go ahead and back up my phone right now. Anyways, when it's done backing up, go ahead and click on install. Confirm. Read the warnings. Do not unplug. As you can see here, reselect the device. It did not detect fast boot. So you may need to click reselect device and then click on the available device. And there you go. It's now going to download the software. It may take a while because it is around 1.6 gigabytes. Alright guys, as you can see, software was successfully updated. It's now safe to unplug. So yeah, that's about it. Let's go back to my phone. Alright, here we have it. Android Developer Preview. Now you just want to continue setting up your device as normal. make sure you guys don't forget to select the backup, otherwise you're going to need to factory reset your device again in order to use the backup. And that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and peace out.